rain will likely result in some street and stream flood. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Dallas County and north-central Texas, northwestern Ellis County and north-central Texas, southeastern Tarrant County and north-central Texas, until 12:45 a.m. At 11:43 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Waxahachie, moving north at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding entries. Locations impacted include Arlington, Grand Prairie, Mansfield, DeSoto, Cedar Hill, Duncanville, Lancaster, Waxahachie, Midlothian, Glen Heights, Red Oak, Hutchins, Wilmer, Avila, Venus, Oakleaf, Maple, Cedar Hill State Park, and Pecan Hill. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 35 east between mile markers 395 and 416. Interstate 45 between mile markers 270 and 272. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 5 a.m. for north-central Texas.